Hi, my name is Odd Olsen. I'm the European Sales Director for Laud Media. Laud Media is a Norwegian company that develops and produces products and systems for video and audio distribution, digital signage and public audio systems. All the products and systems have been developed from a foundation of enhancing the customer experience. So, please let's have a look. Using digital signage combined with a control panel that allows you interactivity from the customer, from the sales staff, and making the digital signage much more useful. So for the media players, please look at the video about specifications for that, and for control panels, look at the video for specifications for that. Now we're just going to talk about combination of the two. Now let's look on how we can use control panels to make the media player interactive. So now we have connected the media player here to the TV. Now this can be connected to your already existing distribution system with HDMI splitters or what you already have inside your shop. So as I said earlier, you can use whatever configuration you want. You have 10 buttons. Here we have made one example with 4 buttons to control a TV wall like this. So we connect the panel. Panel starts up and we're good to go. So this lets the customer choose and interact with the TV wall in a much greater way than just looking at what is being presented. So in this example we have made stress test, color test, sound test and a 1080p movie and a little bit explanation on how to use it. So for example, now this is a default playlist that is running behind that you have already chosen. That is always the one that will go after the clip is finished. It will go back to this playlist. So let's try. Now I'm doing a stress test. So sorry for the brand commercial. This allows the customer to see the difference in quality of picture processors, moving pictures, quickly moving pictures. You will see a huge difference on the TV wall. Color test, you can have a bright colored movie. So again, allows the customer to see a quality of the TV, and it makes it easier to sell more quality TVs. Today, sound is really important. The TVs are really becoming slim, and let's face it, there's no space for speakers. So sound test is important. By having this opportunity, it's also easier to sell extra sound equipment by showing the customer the quality difference. And of course, for example, 1080p movie. So this allows the customers to interact with your TV wall, and it allows the customer to become much more secure on the purchase he or she is about to do. So why this is important, what's in it for me, you'd say? Anybody knows you're not going to buy a car without testing it, you're not going to buy a house without seeing it. The same applies for any equipment. Capital products such as TVs is without a doubt the best way to sell it is letting the customer test it. Also, you can add, for example, a live input. You can have a satellite decoder connected to the media player, and you can have an extra button here saying live, and then you can see the same picture that he would have at home, so he can recognize what he's already used to. As I said, when this is finished, it goes back to the old one, and it doesn't really matter what you do. You can just, the customer cannot make any mistake. The last pressed button is the one that is shown. So to wrap up, control panel lets the customer interact, lets the sales personnel use the TV wall in a much more professional way, helps them to sell more quality TVs, and again, return of investment for you, more sales, happy customers. That's the thing.